One and done final. Here we go. Another out of Mr. CMRC. Who are we going? Oh, we got Davey. That's right. Davey, bringing home the win, buddy.
It was a feeling, and it started in my lungs. It was a vision, never thought we'd come so far. I keep you on my mind, the lightning strikes, but sparks don't fly. I'm holding on for life, but I just don't feel it. The faintest one is hurt so loud, and I'm barely breathing. I became so seasoned, waiting up for you. For a lot less than you could. Left me empty-handed and stopped my love for good. Twistedly romantic, I'll wait for one more chance. I'm holding out, I'm holding out. It was a feeling I can't shake away, the voices in the dark. And I'm tired of winning, aching just to play it like before. I kept coming back for more, I'm holding out.